Welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, we're going to dive deep into creating a dynamic and user data entry form in Excel and Excel VBA. Whether you're collecting data for a small project or managing large data sets, this guide will help you streamline data entry, making it more efficient and accurate. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create an intuitive data entry form that allows users to input information without any hassle. Let's get started. Before we get into the technical aspects, let's take a moment to understand what a data entry form is and why it's so useful. A data entry form allows users to input data into specific fields, like names, addresses, dates, and more, without directly editing the raw data in the spreadsheet. This is incredibly helpful in preventing errors, maintaining consistency, and keeping your Excel workbooks neat and organized. First thing first of all, you need to open an Excel workbook and then save your workbook as Excel binary workbook or macro enabled workbook, which is help you store the VBA code. Go to Developer tab to create a user form. In case if you don't have or don't see Developer tab, please click on File, then choose More, then choose Options. Click on Customize ribbon and check on the Developer tab, then click OK. Now you see the Developer tab. Click on Visual Basic, then it will show the Microsoft Visual Basic for application. Click Insert, then choose User Form. Adjust your user form. To change the user form caption, right-click on the form, then click Properties. Now you can change your form name, but it's okay if you don't want to change it. Then change the form caption. And you can also change the form color. Go to Toolbox, then add an image box to the form. Change the back color to black. Now add a label. Change label back color to black to match the image box. Change for color to white. You can also change font and font size. Go to Toolbox and add a frame. Change frame caption. Now add labels into the frame. Change the label's caption, then copy and paste for phone number, country, and gender. Change border style to transparent border style. Customize your labels. Add a text box. Copy and paste the text box for country and phone number. Add a combo box for the gender. Select all labels, text boxes, and combo box together to customize the font and font size. Now add command button for add, update, delete, and save. Select them together to change font and font size, and you can also change colors. Now insert a list box to show the records. Double-click on the user form to write some code to activate the user form and combo box. After run the code, you can now see what happened in the combo box of gender. Now we're going to code the Save button. Double-click on Save button. It works perfectly now. Now turn to Excel Workbook to create the table to receive the data from the user form. You can also create the table before you start designing the user form. Now I start creating the table with ID, name, gender, country, phone number, and update time. Thank you for watching. See you in part 2. We will add some codes to work with add, update, and delete buttons. If this video is helpful, please click subscribe to watch more videos.